Yes, good morning, students. Today is the ninth part of chapter Principle of Inheritance and Variation. So let's start. Yes, this topic include the sex-linked inheritance in Drosophila. In the previous part 8, we have covered about the different type of sex determination take place in human, birds, or grasshopper, ZW, ZZ, XXXO, XXXY type. There are three types of sex determination. So in this sex-linked inheritance in Drosophila, we will cover. Yes, just wait a second. Yes. Drosophila contain wild variety and it has red-eyed and brown color body and normal size wing. Means wild variety of Drosophila has red-eyed, brown color body and normal size wing. And the mutated Drosophila means the Drosophila in which mutation take place or the gene sequence change. Then this mutated Drosophila has white eye, yellow color body and short wing is there. The gene responsible for the color of eye, body and wing size are present on X chromosome. Means these genes are responsible for the production of color of eye, the body, the wing size, and this color of eye, body and wing size are present on X chromosome. When a red eye female is crossed with the male white eye, then the F generation are red eye. I'm again repeating, red-eyed female Drosophila is crossed with white-eyed male, then the first generation will contain a red-eyed. When the male and female of F1 generation are crossed again, then all the females are red-eyed, while 50% of male are white and 50% of are red. Again repeating this point, when male and female of first generation, that is first generation is red-eyed, this first generation is crossed, all the female that are produced are red-eyed, but all the males that are produced are 50% of that male will have white color and 50% of that will have red-eyed. You can see here red-eyed and white-eyed in first parent P generation, and when F1 generation is obtained by this, all will have red-eyed expression. And this, when F1 generation is self cross, then all the female is red-eyed. But among the male, 50% is having red and 50% is having white-eyed structure. Again, this is the cross, parent red-eyed, parent white-eyed, and the gametes, that is XW plus, and here two type of gamete will produce XW and Y, and this is crossed to form first generation. In the first generation, XW plus XW, XW plus Y, and this F1 generation is crossed to produce XW, two type of gamete XW and Y, and here XW, XW. You can see XW plus, XW plus, XW plus, Y, XW plus, W, XW, Y. These are the four type of expression that are produced in F2 generation. Now linkage. It is very important topic. Morgan discovered the concept of linkage in Drosophila. Morgan crossed yellow body, white-eyed mutant female to the brown body, red-eyed wild-type male. Means he crossed yellow body, white-eyed with brown body, red-eyed. In first generation, he got the female are wild-type, and when the first generation is intercrossed, he observed that two genes do not segregate. Means the two genes will not separate or segregate. If the two genes are segregated, then the ratio will be 9:3:3:1. But in this, these two genes will not separate. So the ratio will not be 9:3:3:1. So the ratio will deviate from the original one. Genes that inherited together with the other gene are located on the same chromosome. Means the gene that are you can say the gene that do not show independent assortment, these genes are known as linked gene. These genes are known as linked gene, and inheritance of two genes together is called as linkage. Inheritance of two genes together is known as linkage. Yes, this is the cross between you can say that this is a cross of linkage expression. This cross is from NCERT itself. You can see in the cross A, yellow white crossed with wild type, and first generation will wild type yellow white, and this F1 is again crossed to form F2 generation, and the expression will wild type white yellow white here and yellow. One gamete is from first parent or first F1 generation, and second is from F1 generation again opposite, and this wild type white yellow white yellow, and this is white miniature wild type white miniature, and here wild type miniature white miniature. Here you can see white wild type miniature white miniature and white. This is the cross. You can have the genotype also, and by using this genotype we can easily identify the phenotype here. That is WM is crossed with WM or WM plus is crossed with WM. So this is the figure. Now Morgan conclusion or Morgan observations. Morgan found that when genes were grouped on the same chromosome, some genes were very tightly linked while other are loosely linked. Means when genes are present on same chromosome, some genes are tightly packed and some genes are loosely packed. So what is linkage? When these genes are physically associated on a chromosome, this is known as linkage. And what is recombination? When non-parental expression will take place. If the parental expression will take place, then it is known as linkage. And when generation of non-parental gene take place, then it is known as recombination. And recombination occur due to the crossing over. Crossing over occur in the meiosis, that is reductional division in prophase 1 substages. Crossing over will take place. Thank you.